In this video, I just read through this page here to understand and use concepts and vocabulary of expressions, equations, identities, formula, inequalities, terms, and factors. So 5x, 3y, 8x squared y, they are all examples of what's called terms. A collection of terms then put together with maybe an add or subtraction are called expressions. You'll notice an expression has no equal sign. It's just a term plus another term, or could have 3 or 4 terms added together or something like that. Now when you have an expression and you put it equal to a number, like 2y plus 1, that is an equation. Something which has an equal sign and can be solved, so you can work out what y is there. Some things look like equations but are called formulas. So c equals pi d, d equals m over v, and y equals mx plus c are formulas, where you need to know the variables in the formula to work out a particular unknown variable. Now this one, for example, is called the equation of a straight line, so sometimes you could interchange a little bit between the word formula and equations, but generally we should use the word formulas for something where there's a number of unknowns. Letters represent defined quantities, so like the C here represents circumference and the D represents density, etc. This one then, x squared plus x, this here sign is called equivalent to. So x squared plus x is equivalent to, or I suppose the same as, x multiplied by x plus 1. This is called an identity. So another way you could read it is x squared plus x is identical to x multiplied by x plus 1. Now this is not an equation to be solved. It simply means that the left hand side is equivalent to the right hand side. If you try to solve this here, you would get 0 equals 0, which was a bit futile. So another example would be, if you have 2x plus 3y minus 7x plus 5y, that is equivalent to, or the same as, if you collect like terms, 2x take away 7x is minus 5x, and 3y plus 5y is 8y. So the left hand side is equivalent to, is the same as, is identical to the right hand side. And you'll notice here, you might only see an equal sign in an identity instead of 3 lines, but strictly speaking, with an identity you should have the 3 lines. Finally then we've got 2y plus 1 is less than or equal to 7, and that's an inequality. Quite easy to spot. An inequality basically has the sign greater than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So I haven't added much there, but you just need to make sure you memorize what those key words actually mean.